PA Accelerator is comprised of three main modules: Quality Manager, the dashboard, and the Toolbox. Let's start with Quality Manager. On the Quality Manager page, there's two main areas. The first is a predefined dashboard of 3 widgets detailing results from projects created in Quality Manager. So you can see open issues by type, those issues trended over time, and a list of all of the open errors on the system. On the second half of the page, you can see all of the projects created in Quality Manager. To get to the project definition page, you can make a new project or edit an existing one. On the project definition page, you can see that projects are defined by two main components: the scope and checks. An interesting thing to note is the scheduled checkbox denotes that this project is scheduled and is rerun every day in the daily data collection. Getting to the scope determines what PA elements these checks are being run against. This can be one or many indicators, one or many widgets, one or many dashboards, or you can include all platform elements. For the checks, you can run all checks or select as many as you like, from errors, warnings, or best practices breached. To see results of a project you've already made, click Show Results on that project. This brings you to the results page. You can see results are divided by indicator, widget, and dashboard, or grouped in all. To get to a result record, simply click on it. And this shows you all of the relevant information for that result. You can see the check being run and a resolution tip that is generated for that check. The status field can be manually changed, and dates are generated when the status is changed to resolved or closed. And you also have the main and sub element of the check and the record that it is linked to. Last thing to see in Quality Manager is that there is a dashboard predefined for that specific project, each project. You get it by clicking on the project tile. You can see how many open errors there are still in the project, warnings, all the issues by type just for this project, and a list of all the issues. There's also a list of all the Quality Manager checks, where you can see their severity, name, description, and the resolution tip for resolving these issues. Now let's move on to the dashboard. The dashboard covers many areas, from the results you generate with these Quality Manager projects, covers orphan content, content growth, the usage of your PA dashboards, the adoption of those PA dashboards, and performance, from widget loading times to data collection jobs. There's also a summary dashboard, which is a subset of the detailed dashboard. And lastly, a documentation tab, which contains all necessary documentation covering all the different tabs and the main widgets on those tabs. Lastly, we have the Toolbox. Toolbox is a group of tools designed to make creating PA content easier and less time intensive. The Add Indicator Targets tool allows you to add targets to multiple breakdowns and time series on one page and at one time for a given indicator. Very similarly, the limit indicator time series allows you to exclude certain time series from certain indicators all in the same place. and that's PA Accelerator.